Hello students, today we are going to start of class 9 social science. In that we will study economics, chapter number 15, that is understanding economic activity. Now what is economic? What is economic activity? These all terms are new for you. Now economics means what? Means how a person is managing the money. Okay, in short, you can tell that how much a person, like for example, in your house only, like mother is there, she is managing the money. How she is managing? Getting the money from the father, doing the household expenses, and then doing what? And then giving to you also, and doing the household activities also. So she is managing the money, so she can be told as an economist. Okay, so here we will start chapter 15, that is understanding economic activity. Okay, so see the first slide. It is being given meaning of activity. The word in the chapter was understanding the economic activity. So first we will understand that word activity means, in not in economics only but in general, what is the meaning. So see, meaning of activity: an action which is done by a person to fulfill their needs, wants, or for self satisfaction. Means what? Any action which is being done by a person. Like you can see the images are there down. First one, a chef is there. Okay, he is a well known chef, everyone knows or not. Okay, second one, the children are playing. Third one, mother is cooking the food, and near to her a child is reading something. Okay, so what is being here? All are actions. Some people are making the food, some are playing. So all these are what? Action which is done by a person. Okay, any person can do to fulfill their needs. Okay, why the fathers, like your father, your grandfather is going outside and doing the work? Because there are some needs means what? Day to day there is a demand of a particular person, so we have to fulfill that demand. Wants are there, and for self satisfaction, why we are nowadays children are playing what? Only games. So that is what it is giving you self satisfaction. You are playing instead of studying, so that is what? All self satisfaction. Whatever activity, operating a mobile phone is also an activity which you are doing, so that can be termed as activity. Now you can see that activity is being divided into two. First one is economic activity and the second one is non-economic activity. Understand it. What is economic activity? See, first one, an activity which is done by human to earn money is termed as economic activity. Now, not understood. See, what I am telling, any activity in which a person is earning some money. Like for example, if you are operating a mobile phone, are you getting some money for operating it? No. So that is not an economic activity. It will come in non-economic activity. Like for example, here three images are there. First one is chef, second one is children are playing, third one is mother is cooking food. So can you tell where in the three images who is getting money? Is the first person, because he is working as a chef and he is getting the money. That will be falling under the economic activity. Next comes is non-economic activity. It is just opposite to economic activity. An activity which is being done by human not to earn money but for self-satisfaction. In the three image, can you tell where the person is getting satisfied? Like children's playing are for self satisfaction, nothing they are getting. And the mother cooking the food, are you giving your mother some money to cook the food? No. So that will fall under non-economic activity. Okay, next point you will see, it can be producing goods. Okay, of economic activity, producing goods, providing services, all comes under economic activity. And here if you are helping an old age, taking the care of the children, like mother is taking care, she doesn't demands for any money, so that will fall under non-economic activity. And for example, a teacher also who is teaching in the school will be termed as what? Economic activity. And mother, like the same mother is in her house and she is teaching there, at that time that particular activity which is being performed by a mother will be a non-economic activity. So both are different from each other. See the images and will you able to tell? First one, the chef is economic activity. Teacher is teaching, that is also economic activity. And non-economic means like if she cooks the food, if she teaches the children in the house, that will all be non-economic activity. Okay, and the last slide is sectors of the economy. So there are how many sectors in our economy? 3 sectors. First one is primary sector, that is also termed as agriculture and allied sector. Second one is secondary sector, or it can be also, you can tell, industrial sector. And the third one is tertiary sector, or it can be also told as service sector. Okay, we will study in detail in the next slide. Okay, so your homework is to write what is the meaning of activity. Second question is explain economic and non-economic activity. Okay, and the third one is what are the sectors of the economy. Only points you will write, in future I will tell you in detail. Okay, thank you.